Students, as you know, that a sentence has many fragments, many elements, many units. Now I am using several terms which are helpful to understand the making of the sentence in grammar, in English grammar. As we are going to discuss about the two pillars of sentence, and those two pillars which are very important to understand the main grammatical structure of the sentence, that is subject and predicate. So sentence has its different definitions. I'm going to discuss these definitions of the simple sentence. When we will find these forms of sentence, we will understand that these are the sentences, and we can give the name sentence to those statements. The very first one is, we can call it a complete thought. The sentence is that part of language which has a complete thought. Secondly, it is made up of different words combined into a pattern. As we use the words, they are called the elements. They are the units. The words came in the form of units and elements in front of us. They are also called sentence. Next one is, it begins with a, this is very important. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, ends with a mark of exclamation, full stop, colon, and so forth. These are also called the sentence. Next one definition of the sentence is, it has a complete statement. As it has a complete thought, it has also a complete statement. It is also called an independent clause which is made of different phrases, which is made of different words, which are made of different elements. So independent clause has also a complete thought, and we can say it as a simple sentence also. The main aspect of the sentence is the sentence fragment. We used different fragments in the formation of a sentence. For example, a group of words which does convey some meaning but does not express a complete thought is called a sentence fragment. We can say that this could be a simple phrase, simple words, simple elements, simple units, but they cannot convey the complete thought. We can say them sentence fragments. Fragments are incomplete sentences, and when fragments joined each other, they make the complete thought. And when the complete thought came in front of us, that is called a sentence. Fragments are also pieces of sentences that have disconnected from the main clause. Now we are going to discuss about the fragments, parts of the sentence. They don't have the complete thought. The examples of fragments, as I have discussed the definition of fragments, an example of fragments is in the morning. Second one, wet by rain. Third one is a soldier. As we can note from the examples that these statements have not the complete thought. They are fragments. They are the part of sentence. So we are now going to discuss again that what the important segments a sentence has. They are subject and predicate. A simple sentence has two basic elements, and these two elements are, one of them is subject and the other one is predicate. The subject is always a noun, obviously a pronoun, or some other word or group of words used as a noun or noun phrase. The essential part of the predicate is a verb, a word that tells something about subject. This is very important, that the detail of the subject we get in the form of predicate. It tells that the subject does something. It gives us the detail of subject. Now the examples of the subject and predicate are: Ahmed painted that picture. Ahmed is a subject. Ahmed is a noun. Ahmed is a noun phrase. And the predicate is painted that picture. Now the next one is the day is very funny. The day is a subject. Is very funny is predicate. Subject and the rest of the sentence is called predicate. Now, every simple sentence must have two basic elements, and these two basic elements are the person or thing we talk about, and the other one, what we say about the person or thing. Again, I'm going to define it once again. The person we talk about is called the subject, and what we say about it is called the predicate. I hope that you will understand these important parts or statements of sentence.